Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, Jayoma?
What's going on, bro?
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, staying busy. Been doing good. How about you?
Been doing good, bro. I've been seeing you everywhere lately.
Oh, yeah, where you been seeing me?
TikTok.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, bro. I've been seeing you everywhere. I'm like, what the bro is going on, bro? Because I just gotta know, like, how the are you like how? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I just had to have my team reach out, figure you out, and I had to talk to you, bro. Because I'm probably gonna need some legal help. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I got you. Just call me up. Ask
Wait,
me any question.
so real quick, like, this is okay. This is the first thing I want to say. Ask how.
How what? Like how I get my results?
Yes. How are you so successful?
All right, so like, when I graduated law school, it was like I don't know if you guys know, but law school is like it's a competition. There's not any like passing grade like any other schools. Like everybody gets like a 75 and everybody can pass. They're gonna cut like the bottom 10%. So it's
Gotcha.
kind of like trust people, and there's competition since day one. And like when I was in law school, I went to the courts and I started seeing these attorneys. I was like, I can do better than that. I'm not gonna name anybody, but I was like, I can do better than that.
Yeah.
And these people are out here, representing people. So I said, let me go let the market see how I am. So the way I view law is like it's one winner, one loser, right? And you have to make a reputation for yourself. So every time I get a case, like I always try to kill, not because it's just only my client's life is on the line, but I want to let these prosecutors know, like, hey man, if you're gonna see my name on a case, it's coming, it's coming, and that's how I attack my cases. So
Yeah.
yeah,
People are calling you the real life Saul Goodman, you know? And that's good, bro. So how long have you been a lawyer for? Like how long have you had like your, past the bar? Like how long have you actually been a lawyer?
all right. So I got licensed in 2018, and ever since then, I had my own shop, and then I just started, doing whatever I could for each case, just trying to kill.
Damn, bro. And I mean, I gotta ask, some of these cases, these guys allegedly like they do crazy things, but you always seem to get them out of it every single time. And what I want to ask is, you know, are there ever times that like you don't get the results you want?
Yeah, there's some times like that, but I mean, it's ultimately up to my client. So a good example is like if there's a plea deal that they want to take, and I'm like, don't do that. But at the end of the day, it's their decision. It's never
Gotcha.
mine. I'm just so it's your life. You tell me what you want to do. But I say if you take this route, this is the possible consequences. And I'm upfront, like good and bad. And if you take this route, here's the good consequences and bad. But you gotta trust me.
Damn, bro. Wait, so where are you based?
Houston, Texas.
Oh,
But I
you're in
practice.
Texas.
Yeah, but I practice all over Texas. So
Got
I
it.
get called out to Dallas, McAllen, wherever they need me. I'll be out there.
Got it. So this is a question that somebody had asked. Have you ever had a have you okay, ask if you can help with assault on an officer, allegedly assault on an officer. Have you ever had a case like that?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
have you ever gotten results that were good?
yeah. There's like it depends on the each case. So, um, whenever I can't give you any legal advice, but the way I attack cases is you have to look at the defenses that they have, and if you have to see if you can curtail that case into that, based on whatever transpired. So that's evidence, right? Whatever witnesses saw, whatever statements that were made, work the case out, and that's what I do.
So do you only work out of Texas? Like what if someone from California is like, hey, like Jayoma, I want to work for you? Like do you or it just depends on the case or like how does that work?
No, so I'm not licensed in other states, but
Got
I'm
it,
looking
got it.
forward to get licensed in New York City, in New York, because there's a lot of people asking about that, and then California's next. But for right now, it's just Texas, and it's not the same law. Each state is different, and but the tenacity is still there, right? The aggressiveness has to still be there, and the clients being number one is like always number one in my mind. So that's the reason why I get the results that I get.
I want to ask you a question if you're allowed to talk about it. What is the craziest case that you've ever had? Or like kind of like the odds are fully against your client and you kind of just were like and you got like the results you wanted? Like, is there anything specifically you can mention?
The odds were against my client.
Just like he had alleged charges. He obviously got what he wanted. Is dismissed. What's something super crazy out of pocket that you've seen, or that you can talk about?
Something super
Am I being a fed?
pocket.
Allegedly, of course.
Allegedly, a lot of assault cases.
Okay.
So, yeah, and those are the ones that people kind of be up against. But there's a lot of times that people get accused of something they didn't do, and it goes back into like I'm doing my job, and I'm doing it to the best of my ability, and the outcome is great. Right? The way I do my cases is, I love what I do, and I don't give a fuck about anybody else but my client. And it sounds harsh to say, but that's my job, right? To always look out for my client. And it's not like I don't care, like a person down the street, but if their interests are opposite of my clients, then I have to go side with my client and represent them the best way. But the craziest cases, and there's like so many of them. I mean, you see them on my TikTok. But I will tell you like one crazy case. I think it was like one of my first cases, and this was when I knew I was like, man, stay in this shit. Like, cause it's not like boring contracts and shit, like real property. Like, nah, there's some juicy shit. So the dude was it's called criminal trespass. Allegations is that he was just going to her house and like leaving love notes, like I love you, and left the dildo on the bed, and like just doing some freaky shit in the facts. And that was the eye opener, because when I see like that, it's like it makes it juicy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then so it just kept going. Like there was more cases, drugs, assault, sexual assault, and it's like something that you want to watch, but I'm actually participating in it because like I help with the final outcome.
Got it. Yeah, got it. No, I mean it makes sense, dude. Like you're passionate about it, which is amazing. Like that's what makes you successful, and that's what makes you the best lawyer. I mean, because you're passionate about all your clients. You don't care about anyone but your client. You want them to win. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
So wait, okay. So somebody had asked, what is your ethnicity?
Filipino.
You're Filipino. Okay, okay. Because I read online that you were Japanese, so that was wrong then.
Did you say I was Japanese?
I'm sorry.
I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. No.
I don't want to be your enemy. I'm sorry. Please. Hey, Jayoma, I don't.
I'm fuck with you. I'm fuck with you.
Yeah.
Fuck with you.
You're the last person I want. I'll tell you that right now. Please, hey, people want to sue me, man. I'm going to be real with you. Don't work with them, please. Please, bro. I need you on my side. Hey, wait, what type of lawyer are you exactly?
Criminal defense. So there's other lawyers that are in the criminal world. They're prosecutors. So it's like they have, I don't know if they have the same tenacity as me, but they can be very strategic too. They can be very quick. And these are the people who's going to put you away for a long time. And it would suck that you go to jail for something you didn't do. So I'll tell you, dude, when I first started, I was like, I didn't know if I want to be like criminal defense. I was like, I know I want to be in criminal because that shit's fun. But like there was a case that changed my whole trajectory. So like I was going to be a prosecutor, and I was gunning for that because that's all I studied when I was in law school. I was like, I'm going to lock up. I don't give a fuck. It could be a possession of marijuana. It could be, murder. I don't care. Like I'm locking y'all up. That's my shit. And then like the defense attorney was like, just come over here. Just come watch on our side. And so I sat in the trial, and so I'd never experienced this shit. I'm sitting there in the chair, and then he's doing his argument. The charge was aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. So they're saying that the client, tried to run his wife over with a car, right? Deadly weapon is the car, right? And like I sat there, it was like a 3-day trial, and they found his ass guilty. And like that's the first time I seen like a dude just like me and you. We're walking to a courtroom, we're talking about, we're talking about pussy, we're talking about life, we're talking about everything like that guys talk about. And then like the verdict came back guilty. And that dude was like looking at 20 years. And like I just remember like he was like crying. Like it's not like some fake shit. It was like some real shit. Like, and there was deputies around like surrounding him. Put your hands down. Like they treat you differently as soon as you're found guilty. And then like he just started crying. And I remember we went to go visit him in the jail. And the attorney that I was with was like, the first thing he said was, don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. And so I was just like, man, like it touches you because it's real. Like that's a real person. And then, so this is where I didn't turn there. I turned when I found out that, and I'm not going to out anybody, I'm not going to name anybody, but the prosecutor withheld evidence, and the evidence that was withheld was a like a recording from the person saying, if you don't pay my shit, or you don't do this, I'm gonna make this story up, and I'm gonna get you. And that evidence was shown later on, and they overturned the whole verdict. And like that's when it hit me, like uh, the public
What?
is yeah, you're vulnerable. And I said, oh man, that could be anybody. That could be my mom. That could be you.
Facts.
That could be my friend. It could be family members. I said that's scary. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna put my talents into becoming a criminal defense attorney and protecting these individuals who are accused of such heinous crimes. And yeah, like it sticks with me today. So every time I see a case, I'm trying to get every evidence that's out there. I'm doing whatever I can to fight for your rights. And if you're gonna get locked up, it's because the prosecutor really did all their job and really they fought hard against me, and they actually won it. So that's why I
Bro,
represent
that's
the people.
amazing, bro. I mean, dude, that just goes to show you how it is sometimes, bro. Like, why would they hold that recording? Do you know why they held it? Like, and they wait.
I don't know if it was on purpose, so I can't comment on that. Whether it was
Yeah,
on purpose,
I
it
get it. I get it.
was one of those things that that piece of evidence is really crucial because if it was shown, and that could change the verdict that somebody is lying, right? And so, if I believe, in the court side, if they saw it, the jury saw that, and the verdict wouldn't be the way it was. And then now he's walking free, and I don't know
It's
how
good.
you can react to seeing somebody who was looking at 20 years, and then now they're walking free, and they're like, dude, this justice system was about to throw me in jail for something I didn't do. You know what I'm saying? Like that's
Well,
crazy.
dude, there's people locked up now that are in jail they didn't even do the crime. They get set up, or they're a girl go lie. See, that's the thing. Did the girl get any charges for lying on this man's name or no?
I don't know. Like I really don't know. After all I remember was after that happened, I said, that dude, I'm gonna go ahead and start my own firm, and I'm gonna go out here and start protecting people out there who have been accused of crimes. You
Got
know,
you.
that's where the passion comes from.
Got you. Is there any case specifically that you would not take, like, or you pretty much just take everything that you think's interesting?
Um, I don't know. Like, I'll take it because it's the same stuff. Whether you're getting pulled over for red light, running red light, or murder, and anything in between, I'll still take it because the process is still the same. Like, I get the evidence, do my work, and I represent diligently, and I just care about my client. That's it.
I love that, man. Have you ever released somebody and then they go on and do the same thing over again? Has that ever happened?
Oh, all the time, all the time, all the time.
So okay, so let me ask you a question. All the time. So when that happens and they do it again, what happens? Do they hit you back up?
I say, hey, call me. You should have called me earlier.
No.
You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck? And look. To be fair, I don't know what they do after the case is dismissed.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do when I get a win, and I don't try to control them. I'm not a counselor, like try to control their life. I'm not their priest or rabbi. I'm here to do a job. My job is to provide the best defense that I can provide, right?
Yeah.
And that's it. It's just me and the prosecutor going head to head, and whatever happens after that is out of my control. So if they allegedly commit another crime, and it's the same thing over again, give me a call, and I'll work it again.
Damn. But okay, does it makes it harder the next time though around when they hit you up if they allegedly get caught doing the same thing?
Ah, still
No.
the same shit. No,
So
no, it's still the same.
they don't look back and be like, all right, I know you got this dismissed, but you're back here for the same reason. They actually don't like it doesn't like it's not work harder for you.
But the prosecutors, they see it like, oh man, it's a habitual person.
Got it. But like the judge doesn't though.
Oh, the judge will hear a little bit of it, but ultimately, when it comes down to it, if the jury is going to determine guilt or innocence, it's the jury, not the judge.
So does it all come
So
down to the jury in these cases?
yeah, if you're going to set a case for trial, it's those 6 or those 12 people that's going to determine your fate. And so um, I get really, really good at making sure that the juries are fair and they're not one-sided, especially with the prosecution. That there's people out there who just ready to just convict. and
Of
you just gotta be able
course.
to get by that. Like if they had like a previous um like incident that happened to them, like if they've been robbed before, and they say, "Oh, this robbed too," they haven't even heard the evidence. Oh, he got charged with it, so he did it. Did it. And
Mm.
then they're gonna say, you know what, this is guilty already. At that time, they're guilty, and no evidence has been shown. So I gotta provide protection to my client, make sure that that person who's biased cannot be on that jury because it's gonna be horrible for him.
What are your thoughts on the Andrew Tate case?
Andrew Tate.
Yeah, his case.
Oh,
Do you know much about it or
uh,
no?
I don't know too much about, it, but I know he was charged in another case, and it's like some type of conspiracy they're trying to get him, and it's in another country. So I can only know
Yeah, you
like
don't know that law. It's different law. Yeah.
yeah, and it's completely different. But I do like the way the law is set up here in the United States. That you have this constitution that protects you and your rights, and some people don't like it, but it's important because that constitution really, really protects you and your freedom, right?
So
So, for
would you?
example,
Sorry, go ahead. No, I actually want to hear this. Go ahead.
for example, like if you had drugs in your house right now, right? A cop just can't go in there and just be like, "Bro, I just know you got drugs. I just know you got drugs."
Yeah.
And then like they go in there and they find it, like they found it, but that shit is not right the way they did it because they violated your rights. They can't just go up in there just because they think that. I mean, look
Makes.
at him. He got a beard. He has his arms folded. He thinks he's a shit. He has to have drugs. He has to have some shit. Probably got a pink dildo. He probably got some gay shit in there. You know, like no, I'm just I'm fucking around. But like no, that's like it's attacking your freedom, right? So that's why the Constitution is important.
You know, it's crazy you guessed that. I'm gonna hold on 1 second. I don't think I have.
Hey man, I heard some stuff, man.
What have you heard, man? What?
If you lift the bottom of your couch, like there's gonna be like a back door that's gonna go down, and there's like some crazy shit in there.
What?
You might
Wait,
find some.
are you saying I have tunnels?
You might find some shit like from Diddy's house. Like I
What
don't
the?
know, like,
Whoa,
memorabilia.
bro. What the? Look, but Jim, I want to show you this.
Bro. Oh,
See, look, it's fake. It's
I like
fake.
that. I like that shit. I like that shit.
Hey, okay.
I gotta give me one of them.
Exactly, you do. All right. Bro, I like you, bro. You're actually cool. You're actually funny. Okay.
I'm a regular dude. Like just because the person's an attorney, like it sucks that if you just think that we just like squares and we just just be nerds and shit. But
Bro, why
Me,
don't you bro start
wait.
why don't you start can you stream court cases and
they are streaming. I didn't find this out until like 3 weeks ago.
bro, if you started streaming your bro, it would go insane.
I can't stream it. The courts can't. And sometimes in Harris County they do stream it. So if you look on, I think if you go on Google, type in Harris live stream, you'll see it. Each court has a thing. You can watch it. It's open.
So I could watch your old cases, like I could see your old cases in the courtroom.
It'll be live. So if I'm gonna have a trial, and you guys, I'll tell y'all, hey, look, I'm gonna be in trial in this court. Y'all want to watch it? Everything goes down.
Got it. I want to know so since we are talking about America, this is the question I want to ask before I interrupt you. Would you say America probably has the best constitutional rights system out of pretty much all the countries in the world?
Yeah. Like I like the separation of power. It's not just one person. Learned this shit in law. Man, this is like a law school question. But it was actually pretty cool. So like the person, can you imagine if the person who is going to decide your fate is the same person who's investigating you, the
Yeah.
same person who's gonna tase you and take you to jail? Like they're gonna be so biased in doing so. So that's why we have it separate, where the people who's gonna actually carry out the orders from the court are a different entity, and so that way there's the vision of any type of corruption is lessened, and I like it, and it's very, very fair to me. The American justice system is very, very fair. You just gotta make sure you choose a good lawyer to represent you.
I love that. And how much do you cost?
All right, so there's no way you can determine like how much a case costs. Like I have to do a consultation with you, so I don't know. You could just tell me I got charged with
All right.
murder. There's no
All right,
set
I got
price.
it. Let's say, hey, Jayoma, I hit you up. Me. Yo, bro. I'm going to straight up be honest with you, bro. I hit somebody with my car, bro. Yo, what do I do? What I do is a girl walking late, dark at night. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was speeding. What are we doing? What's the move?
All right, you don't say just don't say
So
you have a
don't.
right to you have a right to not snitch on yourself. So don't snitch on yourself. The first thing that you did that was really good was calling me. All
So
right?
that's the first thing I do is call you.
Yeah, you call me. And I'm like, all right, just don't say and then just wherever jail you're at, I'll come talk to you and we'll be it'll be more private than what we discuss. Just make sure you hide, any shit that you have. Like, you got any pig dildos, hide that shit. All
Bro,
right,
I need you to. You gotta come get some Florida licensing, bro. You gotta come get some other states too.
dude. I've been hearing about Florida.
Well, cause look,
Dade County.
yeah, cause I mean Texas is good. Obviously, Texas is like best. Texas is like the best laws for like, like holding your ground and. But Florida's pretty good too, and Nevada's good. But yeah, I know you want to get in New York. New York's a bitch sometimes though, bro. They got some weird laws over there.
Each law is different, but the way I see it is like playing basketball, right? There's gonna be why is there traveling, why is there carrying, why is there what I'm saying fouling, whatever the rules are, you just work with it,
Who's your
and
favorite?
that's
Who's your favorite basketball player? Jeremy
hey, who's
Lin.
Kobe, Jeremy Lin. That's some up. Who's your favorite basketball player? Like what the fuck, Lil Dicky? Like what the fuck? Come on.
Yo, all right, Kobe. Yeah, all right. We Kobe. All right, who do you want
Yeah,
to who do you want to win the finals this year?
Minnesota's looking good.
They are, bro. But I'll be real. I think Boston is just too. I don't know. We gotta see, but Boston is just something else.
I don't know. It's just something about just Minnesota's just looking really, really good, and it's like no stopping them. And I don't know. Like I love that. So it's the competition is what I love, bro. Like I don't know if you've noticed, but I was like a nurse before I became an attorney, and the switch was because like I like taking care of people. It's still the same. I'm taking care of them, just not health, right? It's the legal way. I missed the competition, right? I was very competitive in high school. Played football and all the sports. So I love getting into a field where like there's one winner and one loser, and that shit feels good, like real good when you win.
I
So
love.
and
You said what?
my client's happy about it.
Well, of course. I love that, bro. What did you? Let me ask you. Does anyone motivate you to be? Why did you become a lawyer? Like, were you motivated by something? Like,
I was pissed off. I was
you.
mad as
What happened?
f-
What were you mad at?
I was a nurse, and this doctor came up to me and was like, he just threw some papers in front of me and goes, "Pick this shit up."
No,
Yeah,
no way.
and I said, "What the?" And like this, I was subjected to that type of treatment, and I said, "You know what, man? The only time they'll respect you is if you can protect yourself." You know what I mean? So I said, "All right, maybe I can knuckle up and be an attorney." And that was truly what it was. And then from there, I fell in love with criminal. Like when I read about criminal, I wanted to sue doctors first, but when I read about criminal, and I was like, oh, I'm about to kill. And then it was never work to me. It was like fun. I'm like, oh, okay, I know how to do this. I can get the drugs excluded from court. Oh yeah, I can get that dead body excluded from court. Okay, all right. And I learned that. And then like to do it in practice is like it feels good. You're like, holy, got onto this. But I didn't know like it was gonna be cool until so I took the bar exam, right?
Yeah.
You gotta take the bar exam after you pass law school, and you gotta pass. So I'll tell you this: I failed it the first time. I failed it, and the thing about failing is they'll show you what you fucked up on and what you did good at. And I remember I did mediocre in every subject, but in criminal I had like 99, 98%.
Oh wow.
And I didn't even study criminal, so that's when I said, "Yeah, I really know a lot about criminal, and I love this second nature." So that's why I got into it, and I was like, "I'm gonna do this full time."
Damn, bro. That's actually sick. Wait. So how hard is the bar exam?
That shit was hard. It was 3 days, and you have to learn some subjects that you don't want to learn. Like there's property, like that shit is boring. I didn't want to learn about contracts. I hated it. Just pretty much every subject was boring. Constitutional law was boring. I love criminal. It was like the most juiciest. It's like combining a soap opera or some shit like that has juicy stuff in it, and then like the law, and then you see like how it develops, and you're just like, oh, I can do some damage out here.
Do you watch any shows? Any like Suits? I know there's a Suits TV show. Do you watch any law shows or anything like that?
You know, it's funny. Like I stopped watching law shows after. I became an attorney. Like before it, I was like, holy shit, I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna look good. I'm gonna wear a suit. And now it's like all I care about is killing in court. Because if I see a case, I'm gonna work it. Like even if it's something small, I'm gonna work that shit because I like the challenge. Like the most unbeatable cases, it's like one of those things like no other attorney could have done what you've done, and you feel good about it. And your client's happy, like to see them smile and they're back with their families,
It's fire.
and they're like they job back, they're not in jail. Like I think, well, I saw like a couple scared straight or some prison stories, and it looks bad. Like it sucks being in jail. Like it sucks. So
Yeah, I wouldn't last in there, man. I'd be fucked. So I don't even want to imagine that.
uh, yeah, yeah.
Do you think you
But yeah,
do you think you'd last in jail?
oh hell yeah. I'll be, I'll be like, give me your commissary. Give it to me. You know what I'm saying? If I could take it, take it. No, no, but I don't know. I just bring that type of the energy. Like it's you and one other person in the room, and you gotta dominate. And that's how I do my practice. It's me and the other attorney. Sometimes, was it the last trial I had? There was like 5 attorneys like in the same room watching it, and it was just me. And I felt pretty good. Like I was like, I'm killing. It's just me, and they're all talking to each other, trying to think of different ways to attack it, and I'm killing. Um, so this that feeling that bro, I can survive it. I can dominate wherever I
Hey,
go.
I'm curious. You ever look like you were? I'm gonna put in NBA terms. Like you were down 3-1 in the NBA Finals, like how LeBron was, and you came back 3-1 in like a courtroom. Have you ever like had some crazy comeback?
Yeah, yeah. The last case.
Your
It
last
was
case.
yeah. It was a last trial case. I think you'll see it. You'll see it. It's like an old white man,
I saw
and
that.
decent exposure, and saying that he played with his junk in front of a young lady. It was looking bad.
Wait, hold on. What did he
Yeah.
do?
The allegations were that he pulled his junk out and started masturbating in front of a young lady. And
Underage?
oh no, not underage. But it was looking, it wasn't looking too good. And then I just remember I did. It's like a fight. Like you can prepare as much as you want for it, but it's not always going to go that way. And I realized I started doing better when I was improvising. And so like I started picking up on different things that I could identify and then use it in the trial, and it came out perfect. The jury came back within 15 minutes with a not guilty.
Right.
And that's after that I said I'm just better at improvising. So yeah, just go in there and just what you do.
Wait, so it was 15 minutes.
Oh yeah, that should surprise me because usually if juries take a longer time, you feel like it's gonna be better for your client because they're really thinking about it. But when they come back quick, it's more like, yep, prosecutor proved the case, let's find him guilty. So I was freaking out, and my client's like, oh man, I'm nervous. I said, well, we're about to find out. And then when the verdict came back not guilty, uh, I try to do whatever I can to not smile because I got to be professional. But it was a good feeling. It was a good feeling. And my client didn't even know that. My client was just like, oh, man. And then so when we got done with court, he was like, so am I going to jail? I said, no, you didn't hear it. It was not guilty. And he just jumped up and gave me a big hug. And he was just happy. You saw the video, how happy he was. He was just, his freedom's there.
Let me pull it up real quick. I want to pull it up so they could
If
see.
you suffer from severe
And I
constipation,
shake the hand, dude. He's like playing with his junk in front of a lady,
gas,
and I
or
shook his
dreadful
right hand,
bloating,
and I was like
use
thinking in my head,
this natural
is this the same
recipe to
hand?
immediately
I
open
don't
your
know, bro.
gates and free you from pounds of fat.
Afterwards, like I touched my nose, I said, "Oh, coronavirus."
Wait, it's the older white guy, right?
Yeah. He's missing some teeth.
Jayoma.
He had the tattoo on his arm?
You got my case?
Nah, he looks like a Western character.
Wait, that's not him.
Like,
Wait.
which one are you looking at?
The last one, the one Clyde was facing 10 years. Oh, that's possession of. Let me see which one I'm looking.
1, 2, 3. 12.
Oh.
12 below the first one.
Wait, is the guy with the face tattoos?
No, it's me wearing a tan suit, and it's underneath the guy with the face tattoos. It's a guy with like a white beard right here.
Oh, I got it.
Who's the best lawyer? Mr.
Wow.
J.
Yeah,
Helm.
that shit was incredible.
Yeah, he didn't do it. uh,
I don't get to read much of the comments. I don't.
So wait, when
I'm
people
always working.
when people comment stuff like you're letting go all the supervillains and stuff, you don't read those comments?
Not really, not too much, because I'm just like, okay. Some of them are the characters like I don't really know much about, but thank you. And it's pretty cool. Like I didn't really realize that people were just like drawing photos of me and showing like stuff that I asked, which is pretty much the same thing, right? Who's the best lawyer? And then what are you charged with, and what they accuse you of, and how'd I do?
That shit's dope, bro. It's actually dope. Damn.
Shit,
Damn.
shit's pretty fun.
I'm loving it, bro. I'm loving it. Hey, Chad, you guys got any questions for my man right here? What time is it over there, by the way, in Texas?
It is 9:51. Hey, real quick, shout out to my cousin, who's also my social media manager, Hilbert Anderson. He's good. He's a good guy.
Is he in the stream?
I don't know if he's in the stream, but he's a good guy.
Shout out to the cousin, man.
Yeah, I know.
Hey,
When you coming down to Houston?
I was just there. I was in Dallas.
You was in Dallas. Come down to Houston.
I purposely want to do some crime, go to jail, get a mugshot taken, and then you just kind of get my charges dropped. That'd be fun.
Just don't say that shit.
Let's see.
Hey, by the way, I'm gonna sell some merchandise soon. So it seems like a lot of people like that. So
That's smart. You gotta capitalize, bro. I would love. Hey, you should send me a shirt. What's it gonna look like?
Well, it's gonna look good. It's gonna say who's the best lawyer, and you're gonna see some other stuff. Y'all will see it.
Okay, hey, bro, just send me some shit, please. I'll wear it.
Perfect. That's perfect. Anybody else got some questions?
All right, Chad. Let me know right now. We got any questions for him? How does somebody get in contact with you if they would like for you to? They live in Texas and they're in trouble. How do they hit you up?
You don't have to live in Texas.
Oh, you
I'm
don't?
saying that right now. You could be in New York. You can be in Hawaii, but the case has to be in Texas. So if you come over here and you get a charge, and just give me a call, and the charge has to be a Texas county, right? Or where I practice in the Southern District of Texas, if it's a federal case. But just hit me up. You can go on my website and you can look at the office phone number. Give us a call. We'll set up a consultation, or you can just email us and get back to us. But the smartest thing to do is to contact us immediately when you get charged, because the sooner I get on the case, the better it's gonna be for you. There's other avenues for me to attack, and you don't want to waste that. Try and decide who you're gonna hire. So make a decision right then and there, and then go with it.
Somebody asked, what is your win-loss ratio, if you know it?
I don't know, right off the top of my head. Don't know it. But I know that what I consider a win is a dismissal and a not guilty. And a lot of times the dismissals come. And actually, sometimes I actually get mad when dismissals come. And it's kind of contradictory to say that, because it's good. My client gets off. But like the win that you get from a not guilty is like a higher high than you get from a dismissal.
Because they don't got to do probation or house arrest, right? They just basically, is that what the dismissal is? Like, what's the difference?
No, probation and like not house arrest, probation or some type of community supervision. It's like a win-loss at the same time. It's like you don't want to risk going to trial, but then it's like you take like a little bit of punishment right then and there. And to me, I feel like it's kind of like a loss, but it's not my decision. It's the client's decision. Like I like dismissals. I like not guilties. And so the not guilty is because the jury's right there. Everything's on the table, and it's either going to be one winner, one loser. You know what I mean? So that's why not guilties feel a lot better.
Has a client ever hit, you don't got to say who, but has a client ever basically be like, yo, Jay, I did that, but thanks, bro?
No, because I don't ask it. Like it's not relevant at all. Ask a person saying they did it, even if they did do it, it's not relevant.
Right.
It's just not. What determines whether you go to prison is not that. Like it's if the prosecutors can prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, meeting all the elements.
Right.
If they convince the jury that they met all the elements, then you're gonna be found guilty, whether we're really happy or not. Look, I was not there. These prosecutors weren't there. These cops, if they weren't there, they weren't there, right? So the only people that were there were the witnesses, and so the cases are built from that. And so that's where I do my job, and prosecutors do their job, and then the outcome is what the outcome is. Right?
Damn, you got that. You got that. Yeah, you got that. All right, chat. Any other questions? My boy. I want to call in. I want to see if he's available before before.
Do it.
Yeah,
Do it. I'm available. Hey, you can call me anytime.
Damn, bro. Well, I just want to add him. I could add him in the Discord, but his dad's currently locked up right now, and he wants to get him out. And maybe you can help or give some input what he can do.
If he's locked up, if the case is active, I can help out. But if it's not active,
No,
like
it
I'm
is.
using it,
It's active. It's active. Let me
we can hit.
let me call him real quick and just see if he wants to call in for like a quick minute. Give me a second.
Let me tell you, viewers, I don't do appeals, so stop asking me like,
What
"Hey,
what's an
my husband."
appeal? What's
Appeals like the case is already done, like you're found guilty, and then you're like, there was an error that happened, and we need an appellate lawyer to look through the records to see the error so they can reverse it. I don't do that. Like mine is like right at the cusp of when the charges come and you're going to be determined guilty or not guilty. That's where I'm at.
got it. So
That's
then yeah, he's but nah, I mean, coffee. We're gonna get him home. Nah, but nah, that makes sense because they gotta lock in with you when it happens because you don't know what other lawyers were involved and you know what I'm saying. You don't know what happened, so it makes sense. Like you don't want to like get yourself involved in something that obviously you weren't there to begin with. So that makes a lot of sense.
But you don't know, like, so what the appellate? You're talking about appellate lawyers? Like
I'm
what they
saying
do?
yeah, like appeal lawyers, yeah.
They look at what was missing. Were there any mistakes made? And then they use that to see if they can overturn a conviction. And that shit is boring. I'm telling you right now, that's a lot of reading. I hated reading. I still hate reading. I like being able to just be able to speak in front of other people, let them know my client's side. That's what I like better.
What are your thoughts? Is it true about? I don't know if you looked into this. I don't know if you even care. TikTok being banned.
Oh man, that would suck. That would really, really suck.
Yeah, because I wouldn't have even known who you are without TikTok. So
Yeah,
I'm glad
yeah.
I found you, bro. You're a good guy, and you know this is great. So
Yeah, it just sucks. Like I really like TikTok. TikTok's actually really, really good. Just like all the other platforms, they're good. They get great exposure because nobody will ever see this, right? And so, in a way, the world needs to see how whatever you're doing, whether you're in law, you make art, you make music, they need to see your talent. If your talent's great, then people are gonna pay attention to it, and that's what I like. Like the people determine whether what's funny, what's not funny, what's good, what's bad. Right? You see my comments, right? There's some people saying, "Oh man, that's up. That's up. You doing shit like this," and there's people like, "Nah, he's defending the."
you're
the
doing
rights
your
of-"
job. You're doing what you should be doing.
Yeah, this is the only job where I get an A, and people hate me for it. Like what the? Like that shit make no damn sense, dude. I made it. Think about it, you get like a math test, and you're like, "Hey mom, I got an A." She smacks the shit out of you. Like that makes no fucking sense.
Yeah, you're literally
like-
doing your job. That's crazy.
Yeah, but it's fun, man. Like you get to do the best you can, and people just love you for it.
I love that,
Yeah.
man. Well, look, guys. This will be my first time I do something with Jay. So if you guys have any other questions, bro, let me know right now. But I think, bro, thank you for doing this. By the way, bro, you're awesome.
I got one question for you, bro. I got one question. You ever been invited to Diddy's parties? Come on.
No,
bro.
I'm not. No, bro. Like, what the are you saying? No.
All right. Hey, man, I had to ask, bro.
But I'll be real.
I mean, you're in Miami. You're in Miami, bro. Send me the invite. I'm down to go, bro.
What the?
I'm fucking with you.
But he did DM me before he got locked up. Is he in jail right now?
I think so, but
He has
I don't
DM
really
me.
keep
Though.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't keep up too much with it. Mostly
You-
I'm always either in jail or in the court. Like,
Who's
hanging out with-
who's your favorite rapper or artist that you listen to?
And rapper or artist? I'd say Drake is good. I really like Drake. And so if he's out here in Houston, like if he gets in trouble, we got him too.
I'll tell him what's up. Yo, I want to say, is it? Can you get in trouble for basically saying that someone's a pedophile when they're not really a pedophile? Like, basically, is that defamation?
I'm not sure about different. That's civil law. Like mine is just criminal. But all I know is people can always have their opinion of you, and they're free to say whatever they say. And if they say it, then and it's not true, just be like, it's not true. Like, who cares what you think? Like right now, you can say all the bad shit about me, but like, if it's not true, like I just don't deal with it. You know
Makes
what I mean?
sense. Makes sense.
What's the thing? You know what I mean? But yeah, you've been seeing those comments. Apparently, those comments are pretty ridiculous, right? Like if somebody's charged with a crime, automatically they're guilty, and it's not like that. Like anybody can get. Right now, you've never met me in real life. I could say you grab my junk and just bring a charge against you. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
But I will say, Jay, a lot of girls, bro, they'll really lie about stuff like, oh, he beat me or he did this to me sexually. He sexually assaulted me. And girls really like, is it true? Like the system really does like cater to them.
I wouldn't say the system. I would say it's people like you and me who's watching anybody. It's everybody's opinion. And sometimes some people are more lenient towards a specific group of people. I'm not going to say whatever, but they are. And so as an attorney, I have to be cognizant of that, right? And that's where selecting the proper jury is really, really important, because you can show somebody proof that this ain't real, but if they don't like you, they're going to vote against you.
True.
And that's cool. So, and it don't have to be women. It could be guys too. Like I have domestic violence where it's like two gay guys. Now, who are you going to believe now, right? Or two women. Like, who are you going to believe now? So it really depends on who you hire and what happens with the other side and what happens there.
Gotcha, bro. Well, look, Jay, you're the man, bro. I really appreciate you. Guys, everybody go with Jayoma. Bro, he is the best lawyer you guys could possibly get if you live in Texas. All right, you guys allegedly do something, you're in trouble. Call this man. He's going to save you, all right? And please, bro, when you drop those T-shirts, send me some, all right?
Oh, I will.
All right, bro.
Hey, thanks for having me here, man.
Thank you so much, bro. You're awesome. You have an amazing night.
God bless.
All right, bro. He's actually super cool. I like that guy a lot. Good guy.
Yo, Adin, easy.
It's at Arizona.
Let me
and
see.
I'm in Mexico, bro. The drinking age is 18. I'm in Mexico.
Yes,
Bro.
but you're sober, correct?
What up?
Sober.
Ah, Jayoma, nice. We got a lawyer.
Yo,
here.
Jayoma, you're here? Holy shit!
Do I-
Jayoma!
What's rolling, baby?
All right, Jayoma. All right. I need to ask you a question.
I'm walking straight line right now.
What's up?
Oh, hold on. Yo, server mute nail to the wall real quick. Let me talk to Jayoma real quick. All right, Jayoma. So I do these segments on my stream. They're called dares, okay? I can't be liable. Yes, this guy wants to nail himself to a wall, get pepper sprayed, tased, and eat a bunch of crazy shit and just do a bunch of crazy shit. How do I not get liable for this?
I like that shit. Well, he's consenting to it, so it sounds like he's good with it. So I don't think you'd be liable because he's consenting to it. So it's all good.
Yeah, okay, fair, but
W.
okay, but is there a way that I could be 100% protected in case 2 months later he wants to chase me back down?
I would suggest get him to say like a consent. And
Okay.
I don't hold Adin liable at all, and it's all good.
And it cannot be used against me in a court of law.
Just
You can
what I
add that.
sent
You
you.
can add that. You can add that.
But
Nice.
I'm asking you, you're the lawyer. Can he use it against me in a court of law if he says that and consents?
If he's saying that he didn't consent,
No, if he's saying I consent and reads everything, you know what I'm saying? Can he still use it against me?
it depends on how his lawyer does it. I can't really speak to the future on that, but you did your part in trying to protect yourself as of now. So that's the only thing I can tell you. And you're asking a criminal defense lawyer a civil question. It's like asking a brain surgeon how to do a foot surgery. But
Bro!
we know some of it, but not all of it.
So wait, what kind of crime is this?
It don't look like crime. It just looks like he's doing stupid shit. But it's fun though.
Okay, so wait, what kind of lawyer would I need to know 100% I'm good?
I don't think like a civil lawyer, like those liability lawyers. I would just say civil lawyer.
Do you know one or nah?
What was that?
Do you know anyone that you can appoint me to?
No. I wish I did. All I know, I'm in the criminal world and the car accident world. That's it.
Yeah, I get you.
Wait. Sorry to interrupt. He needs to read this disclaimer now because look at the camera.
Oh my god. All right. Yeah.
Oh, it looks nice. I like that shit though. It's fun.
Yeah. All right. Let's unserver mute him and let's have him read the disclaimer. I need his buddy to read it and then he needs to agree to it and then say he won't hold me liable in court. Jayoma, do you want to watch this one?
Let me watch it. I'll watch it right now. I'm looking at it.
Okay, cool. All right.
That shit's funny, dude.
Oh my god, that's funny.
Love that shit. Take that shit off, mother.
Bro. Bro, chat. What the fuck?
Hey, do you consent to show your tits?
Yeah, I'm going to jail.
That's the question.
Yeah, this is bad, chat.
Do you consent to show your tits? That's what I would ask.
Bro, Bro, Adin, my phone is at 7%, bro. We gotta hurry, bro. Please. We've been out here
all
for
right.
hours.
All right, yo, Dante, make him read the shit, bro. No, he can, and then we're gonna go,
Okay, we need,
bro.
we need. All right,
I swear to
fucking
God,
hell.
that's a fucking boner.
I need to hear it.
He needs to
If
just
that's
read
a fucking
it.
boner.
He needs to. You need to read the consent, and we're
Right.
good to go.
I'm gonna.
Quick, bro. I'm at 7%, bro. My
Alright.
phone is dying fast.
All right, I'm going to read this. Just repeat after me, all right? So, first of all, we, the participants, acknowledge that we are performing stunts of our own free will
Oh my
without
God.
the influence of drugs or
That's
alcohol.
not Peanut, you
You're gonna have to
fucking.
do this without restraint.
Right.
Wait, lock the net.
Give him a shorter one, bro. Your voice is
They're
already shit as it is.
not even listening. They're not even listening. He's tying himself to a fucking wall.
Let me just play it through AI.
Can you turn,
to
yo,
People are looking
whoever,
at this,
yo,
seeing if you get choked.
hold
They're
on,
like,
hold
I
on,
like
hold on, yo, nail down to the wall. Can you guys turn the camera, please? Like flip it, hot dog style, hamburger style. I mean,
Flip it horizontal. Flip it horizontal.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
I need you to unlock the thingy. Swipe down and click that little lock screen thing.
Bro, flip it horizontal, bro.
No, I need it. I need the thing unlocked. So there we go. Yup, there we go. Move my camera.
Alright, where's the pepper?
It's so full, bro. It's raining, bro. What's the phone at?
No way, it's raining.
It's at 6%.
I'm going back up. Alright, Sean, what's pepper spray you first?
No, bro. Nail me in first.
No, he's not getting nailed. No,
That's I
No,
am.
he said nah. He said nah.
no, you are not getting nailed. No.
Alright, no nail. Alright, we're doing the
No,
pepper spray.
bro. Chris, come on. Yo, bring the camera closer. Let me hear him, bro. Come here. Come
All right.
closer. Yo, Adin, why do you care? I'm consenting. Why do you care? I'm trying to make as most money as possible. Why do you care, bro? I need the money, bro.
Listen,
I'm literally
Because of
homeless.
what you
I'm
just
literally
said.
in my car.
Bro, can you just please listen, bro? Can you just please say that Ada Ross is not liable for all the acts that are about to take?
Adin Ross is not liable for all the outs. For all the. Wait, what?
Oh no. this
Adin
is
Ross
bad.
is not liable for all the actions that are about to partake.
All right. Is that good, lawyer?
That sounds pretty good.
All right. No nail though. No nail. Sorry, no blood, guys.
No blood.
I need the camera
No.
flip, please.
Yo, you have to wait for the camera now, bro. We're gonna-
Bro, get one in my bag.
I need the camera flipped.
Holy shit.
Yo, flip it again.
There
Bro,
we go.
Adin, why do you care if I'm consenting? It's like
Because
a
I'm not
European.
having you bleed, bro. No.
I won't.
Alright, Sean. Okay.
Adin, I need as much money as possible. I need to go as crazy as possible.
We're gonna pepper spray. We're gonna pepper spray.
Ready? 3 seconds. We're about to.
Hey, I need to drink the shit first. Put the
Alright,
jalapeno,
Joe, drink this.
put the jalapeno juice and pickle juice in, quick.
Alright, bro.
Put the jalapeno juice in. Quick, pour it in.
Alright, fuck it. What is that?
Put in the jalapeno juice, quick.
This is pickle juice. Alright, where's the
Yo, where's the one chip? Give him the one chip.
where's the one shit?
It's in my bag, in the pocket, right there. In my pocket.
Which pocket? The front one?
No. The small pocket. No, the one that's zipped up.
Oh my god.
Bro, the one that's zipped. Yes.
Alright, we are getting this guy the one chip.
Yo, we gotta speed this up.
Oh, I like that shit.
Alright.
Hey, open it.
Please, he can't. Don't let him touch with his
You gotta
eyes.
open it.
Yo, no.
You gotta
No.
open it on camera. You gotta let him know.
Open it.
Alright, here, we're opening it on camera so you guys know this.
No, his phone is lagging.
It's a burrito, bro.
This fucking.
Let's go, Sean.
Alright, here we go.
Let's go.
Why are you dumb?
Alright, he ate the chip.
Wait, I the jalapeno juice.
It is, bro. You did it.
No, you didn't. You put the pickle juice. Put the jalapeno juice.
Where is it?
It's in my bag, bro.
Bro.
Oh my
Alright,
god.
he's currently chewing on the one chip though for any
Get
viewers.
the jalapeno
Bro, shut up.
Alright, John, we're gonna.
Bro. What? What the fuck? Bro, your phone is lagging.
Bro!
Bro, your
It's in my bag!
your phone's dying.
Bro, I feel like I'm
Fucking
watching some
retard,
like
I'm not
budget
paying
Blair Witch
for
project.
nothing.
Oh,
Like,
fuck.
if you fuck my money up,
Put
bitch,
it in,
you
bro.
gotta fuck
Quick,
this shit up for me.
Put the light on me, bro. Oh my god, that shit.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Jalapenos.
Or that's
Go.
Ah.
All right, bro. Come on. Drink.
what's the phone at?
It's like something from a scary movie.
Okay.
This is horrible.
Is that even spicy, Jayoma?
I tried that one chip challenge. That shit fucked me up, man. I had the bubble guts for like a week.
Damn.
Do not do that. It was bad.
We just
Pepper spray. I can't see it.
Where's the pepper spray?
Oh, there he is.
pepper sprayed him. We just pepper sprayed him just
Oh,
now.
okay. All right. Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
All right. He's covered in mace, as you can see on his chest.
Get the light better.
No. We good? Are you good?
Bro, what the f is going
Good. Yo, give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Are you good?
We're still going.
Tony.
There he is. There's the vomit right there.
Holy shit. Does anyone have the taser? No. Oh no, this guy's actually scared. We're not giving him the taser. Yo, we're on 2%, 2%. This shit might cut out any second.
That's a trooper right there. He keeps going.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yes, sir.
I gotta give him credit for that shit.
Yeah, Jayoma, that's crazy.
I would have threw some mayonnaise in that shit too. I would have threw mayonnaise and a little bit of cubes. That would have kicked it up. You know what I'm saying? I can see the chunks moving in there.
Jayoma,
You got it, bro.
Jayoma, surely,
got it.
Surely you can get me out of shit, right?
I'll do the best I can, no matter what. Ooh. Yeah.
You still got the milk.
Oh, do you want us to put the milk on you?
I don't think you need it, bro.
Spoiled milk.
Spoiled milk, spoiled milk. Here we
You
go.
guys remember this?
Here we go. You guys remember?
His phone definitely died.
Is that Fat White?
Yep.
Yeah, it's done. His phone.
All right, so my assistant is saying something about E-date. What is this E-date?
Oh, I'll put you on an E-Day one day, bro.
Okay, I'm down for it. I don't know what it is, but I'm down for it.
Do you sleep?
Barely.
Really? How many hours of sleep do you get?
Probably like 4 hours. Like, I'm always either in the court or at the jails or taking phone calls. So it's like I'm always on.
Damn, bro. Oh, that's far to know. All right, well, all right, bro. I'll hit you later though. We're gonna talk. I appreciate you coming on and
Sounds good. Anytime.
Thank you, brother.
All right, take care.
What a guy. So here's the issue with this one, Train, and tell me if you agree. His phone died, so like nothing, like it was just mid.
He didn't even get tased either. Like, what the?
I mean, hey, listen, that's up to you. It's your show, you know.